In this Word tutorial, I will guide you the simplest way to translate Word document to another language. First, you need to click on the Review tab, and here you can see that the Translate option. You need to click on this arrow, and here you can see two parts. One is the Translate selection and the other is the Translate document. So first we need to translate a selection. Click on that. So on the right side you will see that there is a window pane will be open, and now you can see that here your language is from Autodidact, and here you can select the language which you want to convert. For example, I am selecting the Urdu, and you can also change this to any other language. You can also select the Turkish, and now you can select the portion of the Word document which you want to translate, and now you can see that in the above pane there is a English and the translation has been done into Turkish in the below. Another way is to translate the whole document into another language. What you have to do is you need to click on the document, and here you can see that the auto deduction is the English, and now you can change it to the language which you want to convert it. For example, I'm translate this to in Arabic, and now you have to click translate, and now another Word document will be open, and the entire document has been converted into the Arabic language. So this is very simple and very easy, and it saves a lot of your times. If you are doing too much translation work, then you can also select this option, always translate to this language, and it will easy that you don't have to change your language again and again. Another way is that, which is the old one, you copy the translate, you copy the paragraph, and then you go to the Google Translate and paste it, and then select your the desired language. For example, Hindi. In the Google you have limited restriction as well to paste the data. However, in Word you have no limitation, and your precious time will be saved. So in this way you can simply translate Word document to another language. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.